What is the Dirt Monkey Challenge? Kenny and Keith are about to let you know. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Hey, this is Kenny with RK3 Designs. We're going to show you this awesome countertop that we poured with inspirations from the Dirt Monkey and Mike Quest. I'm here with my buddy Keith.
Keith McGinnis, KCDC Designs out of Lincoln, Nebraska.
And we're going to show you how we took this awesome countertop, put this rock edge on there, and poured it like a champ. So let's get started. All right guys, we're here in the shop. We got our countertop with the rock edge done, and now we're going to put 2 coats of undercoat black from Stone Coat Countertops. All right, so the colors that we're gonna use today, we're gonna use black metallic, copper metallic, and bronze metallic. We're gonna use the Luminolite dyes, brown, white, and black. And of course, Stone Coat Countertop, art coat. And we're gonna throw a little accent colors for old Ron and put a little turquoise in there. So we've already dammed everything up. We got everything prepped. We're gonna start mixing and we'll get pouring.
We've got our Stone Coat art coat. We're going to mix up our metallics. I've already added some the thin dispersion fluid into our cups with our mica colors. And we have our black metallic, copper metallic, and bronze metallic. And I'm just going to try to get these evenly between all 3. And all we're going to do is just mix that up into a slurry before we get our epoxy added into it. Got it all mixed up. We'll do that to the other 2, get our epoxy mixed up, get everything ready for our dirty pour.
All right, we got all the epoxy mixed up. We got
112 ounces.
112 in each bucket. We're gonna divide them out evenly as best we can, and then we'll start pouring.
All right, while he's doing that, I'm gonna get our dye added in. Got our white. Now we're also going to be adding a little bit of copper into our black, right?
Yep. And since we did that dispersion on these micas, you could see how fast that just really, it's so easy to mix up. All right, now we'll just dump them in together.
And we're going to dump these upside down, let them drain a little bit so we can get our wash coat.
And then we'll keep a little bit in the cups. Now the other thing, we are using art coat, so we're not in any hurry. And when you're doing an exotic pour, you always want to put a grease coat on. That way it just helps that epoxy flow and you don't have so much surface tension. Can't forget about the 1-2 knockout.
Okay.
We'll go 1, 2. We'll see how that works out for us. So now that we got it poured, we'll let it sit for a few hours and then we'll pull the tape. What would y'all do? Would you put the turquoise in it or would you just leave it out? Leave us some comments. Let us know what y'all would do.
That's the turquoise.
There's the color right there.
You make the call.
All right, so I'm gonna put some alcohol in just some spots. And I think I'm gonna start just to test it out in this corner over here and just see what it looks like. Because it's just gonna give you some depth. And there's some people that don't like it, but you're on the mic. But we'll just see what it looks like. And then we'll see if they comment on how we did. Hopefully they'll be happy with the outcome, kind of like what we are. We're pretty happy with what this looks like. So let us know what you think. So far, so good. I just like how it softens everything up. All right, so it's been about, how long has it been? Hour and a half?
Getting close to 2.
All right, so close to 2 hours, and we're gonna pull the tape.
Kenny, that was one beautiful rock edge.
Yeah, it turned out nice, huh? All right, so now we'll just help it roll over. It's already started to move by itself, but I think we'll take off just touching it. Can grab some excess and let it roll.
Okay guys, what do you think? Keith and Kenny did a fantastic job on this pour. I absolutely love it. So what they did is after the color coat dried, they waited 24 hours and they poured a clear flood coat. Now, before we install this, we're going to be doing a UTC matte finish on this as well. Now, we're not sure when we'll be doing an install. So if you want to see how to do a flood coat and apply the UTC matte, we'll be linking videos in the description below on this video. Now, here's our challenge to you. If you want to do a Dirt Monkey pour, we challenge you to use all of these colors. Then when you do, make a video of it and tag us either on our Facebook or our Instagram page. And who knows, you might win a prize. So until then, guys, all of these products can be purchased on our website, RK3designs.com. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and you accept our challenge. And also hit the bell for future notifications so that way you know every time we post a video. All right, guys, until next time, you know what to do. Don't be scared, move forward, and be creative.